Hello everyone, and welcome along to another Woodstock Resin Works video. I hope everybody had a nice Christmas and a happy new year. End of last year I bought myself a new toy, which we can see here. This is a lathe. It will be my first time using it. I've done a couple of practice bits, to be honest with you, but I'm going to put the next project on video for you, just to see how I get on. What I've done is I've made some bits of scrap which I've glued together, and I've put some scrap plywood on the end of each end, which is sacrificial, that we'll just leave, and I'm hoping to make something. I'm not quite sure what it's going to be yet, but I guess we'll find out. So join me as we take a delve into wood turning for the first time. still haven't got any clue what it is. However, I think it's turned out alright for my first go at turning. The resin's actually quite shiny. A little bit of resin there, a little bit of resin there. I've got a divot in the top. I wanted to go further, but I haven't got a proper chuck for my lathe, so it's very dangerous. So I'll get a proper chuck for the lathe and then I can go a bit deeper next time. But for a first try, proper try anyway, whatever it is, I think it's pretty good. Please like, subscribe and all that, and I'll see you next time.